Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to day 7 of remote internet learning. Today, we're going to do things a little different. The question of the day today is, what is pollution? And you're going to be seeing a video that Miss Rodriguez is doing on pollution. But before we learn about pollution, I thought it would be nice that you learn about how do we get clean water every day. Now, I have some things here that I'm going to use. I'm going to pretend that this is the ground deep underneath the earth. And first, we're going to put in some rocks. Let's put in some rocks, and you make believe that this is deep underneath the ground. You know, you find groundwater 352 feet underneath the ground. Let's make believe after it rains, the water goes down into the earth, and some water goes into oceans. Some water goes into the plants and waters our plants. Other water goes straight into the ground. Let's make believe this is water going straight into the ground. You see the water? Make believe that this is the water underneath the ground. How do we get this water up so that we could use it in our homes for in the kitchen for drinking, for washing dishes, for taking a bath, for our washing machines? Most underground water is brought up by a pump, and these are called a well. We have wells underneath the ground that have an electric pump that brings up the water up to the surface. Let me show you how it's done. Let's make believe this is underground and this is a pump bringing up the water. I'm gonna press this down and the water goes up the tube here and it stays right here in the storage chamber. You see it? And it goes up and it pumps water up to the surface. Let me show you. You see the water coming out? This pump brings water to everybody's household. So when you need water, a pump is bringing it up through the pipes into your apartment. And there's an electric pump that does this. In the olden times, people didn't have a pump like this. What they used were these old-fashioned wells. This is an old-fashioned well. As you see, it has rock around it to make it strong. But this water inside a well is way deep into the earth. Let's see. Let's put some water here. In the olden days, what they used to do to get clean water was they used to go to a well. And they had a pulley that would pull up the bucket from way deep down in the ground. And then the water would come up and we would have well water. As you see, this is well water. They bring it in the bucket and they would pour it out into the bucket they had so that they could bring it home. This is called a well, and many of the houses that you see have a well with fresh water. And where does this water go? It goes into the sink in the kitchen, it goes into the bathtub, it goes into the washing machine, and we need clean water so that we could stay healthy. Think about when you see Miss Rodriguez's video, what would happen if we drank dirty water? Think about that. The rain gives us clean water, and we need clean water to stay healthy every day. Look at the video below also that explains it to you in more detail. See you later. Bye.